Hi everyone. Something that I've noticed is that many people are confused about whether they should do a marriage-based green card or a K-1 fiance visa. A lot of people are confused about what option is right for them. Well, in this video, I'm gonna go over 4 questions that you can ask yourself to determine which option is right for you. So stick around. Hi everyone. So if this is your first time here, make sure to hit that thumbs up button so that YouTube knows to share this video with a wider audience. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more immigration videos. So as I mentioned, in this video, I'm gonna help you better determine whether you should pursue a marriage-based green card or a K-1 fiance visa. As I mentioned, many people seem to be confused about which option is right for them. So in this video, I'm gonna go over 4 questions that you should ask yourself that will help you determine which option is right for you. So as a quick overview, let's define these 2 terms that we're gonna be talking about. The first term is marriage-based green card, and the second term is K-1 fiance visa. A marriage-based green card is when you're married to either a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident, a green card holder. Well, in many cases, based on that marriage to a US citizen or lawful permanent resident, you're eligible to apply for a green card. Let's refer to this whole process as a marriage-based green card. Now let's define K-1 fiance visa. The K-1 fiance visa is a process where a US citizen can file a petition with USCIS on behalf of their foreign fiance. If that petition with USCIS gets approved, then the foreign fiance can apply for a special visa, a K-1 visa, to come to the United States. The couple must then get married within 90 days. If the couple does get married within 90 days, then the foreign fiance can apply for an adjustment of status to get their green card within the United States. Again, we'll refer to that as the K-1 fiance visa. So now that we have a basic understanding of those 2 concepts, let's go over 4 questions to ask yourself to help you determine which option is right for you. Okay, so the first question to ask yourself is, are you already married to your significant other? If you're already married, then you're not eligible for a K-1 fiance visa. A K-1 fiance visa is for people that are not yet married. So again, if you're already married to your spouse, then you would potentially be eligible for a marriage-based green card, but you would not be eligible for a K-1 fiance visa. Okay, so the next question that you want to ask yourself is your significant other a US citizen or are they a lawful permanent resident, a green card holder? If your significant other is not a US citizen, then you're not eligible for a K-1 fiance visa. A K-1 fiance visa is only for the fiance of a US citizen. So again, if your significant other is a lawful permanent resident, if they have a green card, then they cannot do a K-1 fiance visa. Again, the K-1 fiance visa is only for the fiance of a US citizen. So if your fiance is a lawful permanent resident, then you may have to proceed with a traditional marriage-based green card once you get married. So the third question that you want to ask yourself is, are you lawfully present inside the United States? If you're already inside of the United States lawfully, then there might be no point for you to apply for a K-1 fiance visa. And let me explain really quickly again about the K-1 fiance visa. Basically, what the K-1 fiance visa does is it allows a US citizen to petition for their foreign fiance to get a special visa that allows them to come to the United States. Once the foreign fiance is in the United States, the couple can get married and then the foreign fiance can apply for an adjustment of status to get their green card in the United States. But if the foreign fiance is already in the United States lawfully, there's probably no point to do a K-1 fiance visa. In such a case, it probably makes more sense for the couple to get married and proceed with a standard marriage-based green card case. Okay, so lastly, if after those last 3 questions, you're still confused about what the right option is for you, the next question that you want to ask yourself is, what is your timeline? How quickly do you want to come to the United States? If you want to come to the United States sooner, then the K-1 Fiance Visa might be the better option for you. Generally, the K-1 Fiance Visa is quicker to allow a foreign fiance to come to the United States rather than a traditional marriage-based green card process. So again, if your desire is to come to the United States sooner, then the K-1 Fiance Visa might be the better option for you. So let's do a quick recap of what we covered so far. We basically defined what a marriage-based green card is and what a K-1 Fiance Visa is, and we went over 4 questions to ask yourself to determine which option is right for you. And those 4 questions were as follows. 1, are you already married to your significant other? Remember that the K-1 Fiance Visa is only available to people that are not yet married. 2, is your significant other a US citizen or a lawful permanent resident? Remember that the K-1 Fiance Visa is only for fiancés of a US citizen. 3, are you already inside the United States? Remember that if you're already in the United States, then a K-1 Fiance Visa might not make a whole lot of sense for you. And again, after all these questions, if you're still unsure about the appropriate option for you, then ask yourself question number 4, which is, how soon do you want to come to the United States? Generally, if you want to come to the United States sooner, the K-1 Fiance Visa typically is faster than a standard marriage-based green card case. I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, feel free to share this video with them. Ultimately, we want to empower you with knowledge. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in.